some people for this Europe, the way their mama, especially mother, say they behave for Africa, no good. They help matter at all. Now made this our sister cry come out too. He said, what did he do to her mama? He said, I beg una, make una shook una mouth put for the comment section and for the voice record. Make she know whether what she do, whether she right or she wrong. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you join the Dengue post for YouTube or you dey watch your church, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today matter, this our sister Naikra come out to. Her story be say, she said there be 6 children when mama born for a papa. And that 6 children, a papa na big man for one, na manager for one company for Lagos. A papa pursue them come out for house, so they can't deal with their mother. He said they shop amala with a wedu soup. When you say person, when they talk, say they shop amala. This one not be even amala with a wedu soup. They shop amala with pepper soup. They shop amala with pepper soup. Then they chop. He said not be a koro eye. She can't even hear say that they travel go abroad. Now you can say he wants to see enter say because this amala and pepper soup when they don't chop so it don't too much. And God can't do it. She can't enter Europe. And God can't do it. She can't join one correct white guy, one Oyibo. He said now so God say bless him. And the Oyibo, Ojiego as Igbo people talk. He pepper, he rest. It's as he can see like that. He can tell him, Mama, say, Mama, as it can't be now. This face me, I face you, will be say every day, wahala. Kokogbe, wahala. This one, they go break. You will come wake up, see wahala for ground. So he can tell them, say, since it does sit day here now, make the just, make the arrange yourself. One small bungalow when be say everybody go get their room, everybody go dey comfortable for there. And meanwhile, I get one small sister when saying get to. He said that sister fine, well, now even fine pass herself. People even they come say, Madam, you too suffer. May you bring this your pikin, make you still travel her so that you go feel support now. Neither one say not being go be the sacrificial lamb of family. You understand me now? Many people don't get sister like that. He said now so she can't say find her way or when she can't come. He can't tell him, Mama say okay oh. He can't they send money. The house never finish. He say never finish. They can say, which kind of house you they build? When be say not they finish. He say, then Mama Cotton say, not be that small bungalow when you talk again. Now 4 flats, now they build so. Now make the money they go like that. So he can say, he not fit carry all a load put for this Oyibo body. He can go start to work. So the Oyibo will take care of all the expenses when they have. If she just work, she will carry the money, give them, make them say do the house when Mama say she dey build. He said that so she come struggle. He say she deny her children things wey say for this Europe, if Mama dey buy, Papa dey buy. It not be like Africa like that. He said, but she not dey buy. She just leave only Papa. Make Papa dey buy because he want face that house when they for Africa, and you know what I mean. Too much they disturb the man for money. So all the salary, once you they receive salary like this, that's why they package them. They go give Mama, say, Mama, oh yeah, say, you want to make this thing finish for ground. He said until when Mama Koto say, it don't finish, now to come furnish inside. Now I remain, you can say, okay, you put 3 flats for rent, may you do 1. The Mama Koto say everything when they need, make it bring and come from abroad, because now abroad things, Europe things, now strong pass. He can see carry container, in load full container with things when they want to furnish that flat where in Mama did. He says so in Mama, after they don't do everything finish, they can't do the opening of the house, they can't send the party video come for her, he can't they watch her. One day friend come greet and then he can't tell the friend, say, oh yeah, watch. He said, as the pastor they pray, now so they pray for a Mama, pray for a Mama, pray for a Mama, pray for a Mama. And then friend come tell her, say, you when you build that, they never even pray for you, they not call your name. Now your Mama, they just they pray for you. He say, if they watch this cassette, so you never notice sound. Say, now wow, say because you get as he be, who build that different, who they pray for is different. He say never can't say anything, no, he just swallow speed for there. He say so now after they don't do that one finish, he and the Mama they consider they talk, dem dey parole, dem dey talk. Then e get one particular guy wey be say every time they always dey deal with him mama. If he call him mama go say, this person friend, he dey here oh, he wan greet you oh, which is his junior brother friend. He go say okay, he go see greet am. Any small thing, this person dey here oh, he wan greet you. He say for him, he no reason anything no. He go see greet am. He say one day, na mama come tell am say, this person dey here oh, he wan greet you oh, he wan talk to you oh. He come say okay, give am phone. He say come give am phone. Then the boy come dey talk say, there is this his junior brother friend. So he come dey talk say he wan come Europe, and make he give am invitation card, make he invite am, make he come Europe. Then he come tell am say, for me to give invitation card to bring you come Europe, he go get as e be, say because we not be family and we not get the same surname. Then the guy come say, he get the way that they do it now. He get the way that they do it now. And do it. They say the way they talk, they talk with authority. If they talk with authority, he say, when they imagine, say, this one way even be say they find help. I beg they even come out for a mat. They talk with authority. He say, when they reason now, say not just talk, he just hold the phone. He said, so then he can call his sister. He can say, I want you to do that our junior brother friend self. He said the way you just talk to me with authority. If I want to carry person come abroad, now me go carry call. If I want to give person invitation, now me go give invitation. My brother did. I not go give my brother invitation. How much more say now I go give invitation? See the way you just talk to me with authority. Now the sister come tell her say, hey, how you not go talk to you with authority? When it be say apple when you for comment. Now inside the apple, in the inside, if they vandalize the apple. If they to the apple, as I say, and at the apple you for come out now, you don't get value for you again now. You say, that small boy, what if they try to talk, say, I beg, pack well. You might try to talk, say, mama, they chop that small boy sugar cane. He say, just they chop and steady, oh. You don't know. He say, he go know that kind of thing. He go agree. He say, mama, they chop the sugar cane, not be small. He say, they chop the sugar cane. It say you even know, say because that time they call, they tell mama say, this thing way they do so, you know good. We go tell our sister. He say, when I tell her now, when I say she don't know, say me and this guy dey. Now she even have asked me say make I follow her. She know. It's not say mama can talk like that. That's woman self now. He say she, that say she know. Now make the never bother to tell her again. Say they don't know say she don't know. Because say no know that kind of thing. Say because say he. All the money when you they spend now this guy now mama they spend this money for all the money now this guy. Even said now this guy be landlord. All the tenants for this herself that they fear this guy. Now this guy and mama said they even they go landlord meet himself because he can't be like saying that the guy now even get house. Cause say so this story don't reach like this. You say he not believe this kind of thing. Then they call they tell now. They say the boy self, he dey na student, he dey university. His mama go arrange one fine apartment for him. He furnish am for him. He say that there the mother they go stay if he dey school. Now there they mama no dey even dey work. He go say because your junior sister when they train for university, that one dey even dey enter class. That one dey even dey go school. But you go stay campus area say if they go school. Now, say because they send school fees, they send that money, they send different kind of money for his sister. Now, later, they come say that his sister self. He never day school, you don't go hang around campus, say he be student of university. They collect money for this his sister, and now say you want to buy that, now say you want to pay this, now say you want to buy this, now say you want to buy that. Say he never follow that one, go sit down. Make it even be say money when they send come for school, the money not they waste. He never do that one, he not follow that one, sit down. He go follow sugar cane, sit down. When we say he don't spend enough money for this his sister. My sister can't graduate now, and then they don't say all these years when they spend money, his sister not even enter class, he not go school. Mama not follow that one, sit down. He go they follow sugar cane, small sugar cane, they sit down. He say why mama go do that kind of thing? At least if person want shop floor, he go shop the way he get egg. He say come verse. He can call the mama sister. Then come tell her say, see what see your sister they do oh. Then come to say so his sister see carry that small boy. He say because they tell am say, he say because when him mama do hosting of meeting for party, because na so iya egbe, so share lady, na him mama dey carry. He even come host club. He say even when he host club sef, with the way the guy you dey do, say come me, say come say my sister, this meat, e too small for you to chop because if you chop this meat, if you swallow am, e go hang you for throat like this. You come me, e no go inside, e no go come out. Abeg, no near this meat, e too small for you. He say no say his sister still continue. He say continue, he come say Now then, my sister come they give her a story. They say they don't know the way mama just say they talk and say, mother go tell her now. He already don't know now. He mother tell her now. That means they don't go talk. They don't know say she don't know. If not be say she they even they tell they say see the way the guy tell they talk to her with authority. I say come say so now what did they happen? Then come say this one when we say the guy don't they do like landlord for house house where he suffer abuse. And even when they pray for the house that they said. If mama never say abeg mama pray for my pikin wey even build the house, so not be me get her. So all the prayers the mama dey receive am. He say come say he go kukuma come house, make he come use the two koro naked eyes take see wetin dey happen. He say na so he take come house. So as he reach house, he not tell anybody say he dey come. He just land gba. As he enter house with the luggage, he carry small mama wey he get for a small baby. As he enters, he say they just put all things for parlor there. They not gree carry her things enter inside room. And already don't give him mama money, make it take furnish one room for her. If she come, anytime when she take corner, there she go they stay. If mama not furnish the room, meanwhile though he not tell him mama say if they come, though he don't give him mama the money, if mama not furnish the room. He say now say mama come say make they put the load for parlor. He come sit down for parlor. He come they look. He say, as he sit down, they look. Now he see one small meke, the junior brother age, small meke guy, just waka come out for inside room. Just waka come out. Then he go say, now the boy be this one. So what did they talk? Now truth. He say, no know what he want to do. He say, he don't tire. You know what the journey now. He don't know what he want to do. He say, now you just offering enters. He say, that they no food for house. Not in their house. Gary self to drink in not that house. Thank God he carry some milk and some food, small this fast food. Now he pikin eat stay sleep. He say they can't sleep. Okay, when they come break in the morning. Now say mama waka, he say they go store. He go store. He never even ask say my pikin, what do you want eat? He no ask. He say now he come they look. He say everywhere dirty. He can start to the clean house. He come they clean. Come there around after 11. His junior sister come say they come, one come see her. He come pass the mama store. He be like say the store they the same area with them. Now then mama for see say the junior sister they go as he come follow on for back. He reach house, he sit down. Now he come to say food not there for this house. So now mama say no get money to take cook. This is the woman where they open shop for. This is the woman where they collect 1.2 million every year. You know they give this our sister 1 naira. She come, she don't know whether the money they blue or the money they green. He said his mama no they give her anything. He said even self when she born, this is pikin when he carry come so when the hospital. He said they like all this our Nigeria baby rapper. I know see Nigeria they get fine baby rapper now. I don't know bless na UK they for the carry and they come. They call her Sean na baby rapper they call her for pidgin English. He says so. He can tell him mama say if they like all this baby rapper, maybe buy baby rapper come for her. Mama say we have money they we want to buy baby rapper. This is the woman where they collect 1.2 million every month. He even get he open shop for her. He said this is na joke. Mama say no get money for baby rapper. He said na so. He can sit down. He can tell his friend say be the like Nigeria baby rapper. Then his friend can tell her say his friend you're there. His friend will come in a few days time. Maybe mama just buy the baby rapper, give a friend. He say, your friend, your carry phone, just call him mama. He say, mama, beg, buy baby rapper. Come, my friend needs baby rapper. He say, mama, you buy baby rapper. In 5 days time, baby rapper don't fall and stand. They don't send any money, go give that one mama. And what you don't do for your mama, that one never do for your mama. Say, your mama good though. He say, I can't rest. You know, come ask mama about the baby rapper again. He say, now say mama they do. Mama say food. You know theirs. For your mama get shop. For you, at least to even cook for a pikin that day. Not be say they deport her. Oh. Now ticket she better take come. Oh. Okay, let's say that you come deport this our sister. Now be say now Pari be that. He say now you come after you don't clean the afternoon. Now say to enter market, buy bag of rice, buy bag of beans, gallon of groundnut oil. Now say you just do the shopping, buy many things, buy yam, buy fish, carton of fish, buy meat, buy different kind of food. I say to load down, enter house. As he load down enter house, he say mama come carry share. He come sit down for. He be like say this is mama name na Obiangeri, and here simple people they talk. Na come chop. He say mama come sit down for kitchen. No, the next thing, if mama come walk call one small girl come. 12 they come the kitchen, they come they cook. They come cook. He say if you see food when mama cook, he be like say na party food. Food full everywhere. He come say how many people there as well that they cook this kind many food. And since the mama still cook the food, he come they look. Oh, he said the small girl. Now the sister come tell and say this girl where they see so. Now that small boy when be say your mama they carry. Now his junior sister be this one. He come say it's okay. He said when the girl want go. Now so the food where he cook. Now say it requires the food. He give the girl the bigger part of it. He say make carry go as make they go shop. He said now small thing I can't live for pot. Before you know it, the apple, all the space, all the shopping where you do for house, everything finish. Because if you want cook, you go to cook like say that you go use the gbedi dodo. Is zagodo take cook. Like say now big family, you want cook for them just before be 5 of them inside the house. He said before you know it, the apple, and so the food finish. When food finish, mama no enter kitchen again. Mama no enter kitchen again. He said, when you can see the way mama they behave, you can say, okay. You can say, okay, no problem. Now, so you can look at mama. For your mama to even follow and discuss how Europe life. To even follow and discuss, say, my pikin, how Europe life, how you day for where your mama no follow and discuss. The next thing, this your bag, you go leave her for me. This your shoe. You just think of what she want take. He say no sit talk. He say quiet. Say he can't tell and say, thank God say now you marry. Thank God say now you marry, you don't marry black. Because like say now black man you marry. This sass, if I can't follow me the drag. As if you say now you marry so, or you now can't follow me drag this sass. He say come they look and say why she go even the reason like this. So let me come ask her. Now I can't tell her and say, okay, this our sister ask they tell me all this matter. Let me come tell and say, why your own junior brother when be say your mama they shop a sugar case so? What did your junior brother do? He just quiet. They look your mama make it a shop friend sugar cake. Your brother not shame. He say he brother oh God some women. He say brother don't get sale. His brother even they see his best friend on top of his mama bed self. You know they talk. Once they don't buy one beer, any kind of beer, they don't buy and put for his hand, say, take. It don't go be that. It be like say, mama can go do one. I don't know someone to explain, I'm gonna understand. If mama can go turn the boy eye, put for drink. You don't know anything that they do again for house. You don't know it right again for house. You know now, make it, if you just, that's his friend, self, they on top of bed, carry beer bottle, give this his brother, say, take oh. He go say, oh, thank you. For on top of his mama bed, though, if they give his friend beer bottle, say, take, go drink for parlor. He go say, oh, thank you. He go parlor. He go drink. His friends go there with his mama. They jogo do his mama for one corner. For the same house, he go they drink. If he finish the bag, put for now. They can't use drink. They spoil this boy. Make him not know it right again for house. Because everybody know say on normal sense, nobody go use the koro eye say see this kind of thing. Say his mama with his friend they do that kind of thing. He go quiet. Not only quiet, he go see bear bottle of beer put for his hand. He go say right down. He go they drink beer. Omona Moria. Pray me bad woman not born picky for you. May not spoil children for your hands. Do that prayer. The guy know they talk anything. He know they talk anything. That one, may just they can't even spoil that one. That one, don't talk to Odayon Diku. He just they drink, they go for area. They drink, they go. Anyone you give am, e dey there dey drink am. E no get in your brand say na this one be my own. Anyone you give am kankan, you give am ogogoro, e dey take am. If your mama want make comot for house, may yan e small walking stick for do wetin they want do. E go buy, go give am money say make e go drink ogogoro. E go dey happy dey go. Which kind life be that one? This our sister say when you come see the way things dey go, he come see am. Now he come talk say the way they provoke so. Now after speaking, now he carry come this place so because if you just do anyhow now, before you know it, they happen. May they not package this speaking for your hands. Now she just pretends. He swallow spit. And so he arrange himself. Before she go, his sister come tell her, say, tell her make you give you the house paper. May you hold that one for hand first before you go. Then I come say, Mama, bring house paper. Mama say, you know they bring house paper. He say, now then come to say, if you don't bring the house paper, this house, now he build down. He go just put fire for this house if you not bring the house paper. He say, now there. Then Mama come quickly go bring the house paper. He can't give her. As he open house paper, now so he be like he do the way so called here 10 times. His mama use her own name to build this house. Say that she get house. He not put the pikin name. Now her own name. Now he put. Then go tell him mama say, why you they put your name? This house now family house. Why you they put your name for this house? He said, what make her they bring this matter come now? That's our sister where he brother they fall and drag her, say they bury papa for us. He said that the video he see, now I motivate her to call. Cause he talk this her story come. Make people for still learn for inside. Because she already take her decision. Mona shook na mouth put whether she do bad or she do wrong. Now he can tell him mama say, so you can't put your name for this house. House will not be your own. He say can't take the paper. Because he no want talk because of the pikin wey carry come. Now, you know say these children when they born for Europe. He said now so he take go back. He said when you go back, now you drop a pikin. Now you come back again, take excuse for work. Now you come back again. This time around when he come, he not stay house. He say come go stay hotel. He rent hotel. Now from there, he begin the fire. Carry mama go court. They come they go court oh. They come the judge. Say family come they shout. Hey, why you carry your mama go court oh? This and this oh. You know go settle her for house now. Mona settle her. Say the mama come the judge matter for court. The matter self even come out for daily times. Say woman wey dey abroad. When mama build house for the day court, they judge matter. They call the judge matter for courts. Mama they follow the judge. Thank God she can't win the case. As she win the case, now judge can tell her say, make him mama go remove hands, come out for the name where he put for the paper. So they can't go one place where they say that they swear affidavit. I don't know that talking well, I'm gonna manage them. They can't, mama can't go swear affidavit say, this house, not be she get her. See the person wey get house. Now so they can't swear affidavit. Now so they can't change the name of the paper of the house. As they change the name, then she come back. She hold the paper for hand. He can't find buyer. He say one said the house. Then mama tell her say make it not try am. If he said the house, he go shook out for her eye. Now tell him mama say mama no dey do anything. Now he get house. Now he go sell am. Then mama come talk say like saying no. As if they do that one, if they do for himself. He say come tell her say anything you think, may you think how. He say he come dey look for buyer 2 years. He no see buyer for that house. They know maybe they not bring buyer come. You know now. He say we just there for Europe here. Now one guy they just they discuss. The guy say one go buy. Now say no just go buy house. I get correct house when I will sell for you. He said now so they take make arrangement. The guy you pay the money for you, you put the money for bank. Now so you take carry paper of the house, give the guy, call lawyer. Lawyer, he does sell and he does collect money. Now this thing be this. He can't tell him mama say make mama come up for the house. He can't give him mama money, make to go rent house for outside. He said now this one, then the family come the verse one and say they wash and come up for family. Why he portray mama come up for house? He go sell the house. So they can't wash and come off for family. She's on her own now. Nobody they talk to right now. He and the mama know they talk. They verse. The mama say why he said the house. say he sell the house, he con dey tenant house wey he build. He say he sell the house be say if he not sell that house, the boyfriend fit go sell that house. Thank God say he go house at that time. The boyfriend come dey do landlord for the house because love don carry mama go. He no know when he go take carry paper of house give this boy. This boy go sell house, put money for pocket. He say because now so the mother dey lavish money on this boy. If the boy dey ask money, if you no see money give her, you come lie to am say na so you no well, they wan do your operation for hospital, na so you go carry money give you. When he born the second pikin sef, na so he talk say you no well, they wan do your operation. Who person they will call say mama wan do operation wey you no go send money. He say na so he send money go give him mama. Now mama sister come call and say congratulations, I hear say you born. You come say you dey congratulate me. Your sister wey even do operation, no be you go first go greet first. He say which is sister not do any operation. If you dey find money, that small sugar cane, him mama say no let am leave. He no let him mama leave. So if you dey find money, you go come dey talk one kind lie, say they collect money, they go dey give that small sugar cane. Your quasi almost your last born friends. Ha! So people almost your last born friends. Now you can't see pikin when you even supposed to be grand pikin. You say now so you can't take carry this boy. Now so they languish this boy with money. If they go party today, now they put for share lady, you go carry the boy follow body. Now so they go they throw away money. They go they throw away money like say money. You get one tree when they go pluck money. You go they do yeah, but they go they spray money, they spend money anyhow, they throw away money anyhow. Now this our sister say he can't reason now. All the pictures, the video where say they throw away money, they do us the everyday meeting where Dave for that Nigeria. They know they fit count from Lagos to Benin to Warri to Delta to Asaba. He did all the meeting where they inside. No Sunday where say they there because if this one not do something, the other one go do something. Now him. They will say they want do something for meeting, they want shatter motor, go so place for marriage or for burial. You go tell them say make they not worry, make they donate money, make they take shatter motor. You go say make they not worry. He go pay all the transport fare of everybody. Because of that one, they come they put on for chair lady, they go now. So they like I say, this woman now, the way it say they look at, if you not sell this house, this woman go sell this house. Because where for they see money, not go they give her money again. We want for come they see money. We want go say they do all this year. When go they do chairman, chair lady for all party where they go. If you not see the money, where you want for see? Not because he go sell the house. So instead of her to sell the house for her head, make she kukuma sell the house. He say now he take sell house, so now family begin they fall and they call and say why he sell house. He house when mama builds, he go sell am. Him mama dey tenants. Why he sell the house? Nobody they greet talk now. They don't wash and come out for family. He said that Oyibo pikin born and abroad he dey. So he don't get any house for Africa because he knows say that house self, his children he go hard before they go even come say they want to collect house for Africa. He go hard them. He said that make I bring this matter come on and see shuku na mouth put. You dey understand? Because this thing now, it don't dey too much for Africa country now. Africa, Nigeria, it don't dey too much of dragging of house. Dragging of house, it don't dey too much. If not be this action, when this our sister take, that house for don't enter voice mail. Maybe for don't come here now, say, oh, he be get house, so, his mama say house, so, with his small sugarcane, nenemi, they don't sell the house. He brother friend, now so his mama take follow him, he take go say, maybe now waiting for the talk now. You understand? Like say she no sell at that time. Because this house matter when they drag, it don't they get too much. Now then you'll see some people where be say, they never felt born pikin. They never born. But they can't get opportunity to get money. They'll say me they build us for Nigeria. If they build us for Nigeria, pikin they not go see again. I am telling you, I know the kind of case where they handle for year. Many people they come across this problem. They go get house for Nigeria. They some go get 6 flats. Some go get 8 flats. Some go even get the 4 flats for different places. Even come out 2 flats self. Pikin, they not go see again. The family go they pretend like say they love you, your family go dey pretend, oh, born na lie. Then they pretend. They are pretending. Don't say born pikin na, oh, born na, your mate don born, oh, and even though say you no marry, born na lie. Then they pretend because they know say if you born pikin, that house now, you don't get what is that they call am, what's that they call am, that house don't get next of key. They know say if you born pikin now, that house, you don't get next of key. They not go want make you born pikin. They pursue you. They will be like rats when they shop you, when they blow you. When you wake up, you'll see the mark. But now, you go say, oh, this my sister like me, oh, this my brother like me, oh. If your uncle you enter, you carry phone, hey, uncle don't enter, oh, thank God, oh, don't say, oh, thank God, oh, happy for you, oh. The next thing, they'll go back here, they'll go tired. You go there happy. Before you let it the apple, when you say 9 months don't reach, before 9 months go reach self, you go see say okra don't make you don't put through way. They'll say, oh, he's sorry. Oh, now don't call the cash wish when not be wish for you. Now that your papa sister, now that then. Because that house, they don't want me that house get nest of key. They don't want me that house get nest of key. You go tell them say you don't see man when one marry you, oh, this man good, oh, they'll come tell you say now so they see vision, now so they go here, they go one babalawo place, some go say that prophet place they go, some go say, oh, pastor, you see vision, that man, he not good, and so you come they do the man, you go carry man throw away. Whereas that man, now your husband, you don't throw me out because say you feel say that your blood you know go deceive you because they don't want me to get next of key. I will tell you, my lady, if my man, anyone you be, whether a man or woman, they happen to man, they happen to woman. If you never bought pikin, not builders, go there put your money for bank. You know they spoil, you know they cry. Then they see that one where they put for bank, when they say go they burn for you, and put on for there. If you don't buy pikin finish before you think of saying you want builders, because if you don't builders to see pikin, if they had 90% of many men and many women when be say they don't get house for Africa, they don't get things for Africa, they don't get pikin, they don't dey tie them. You no go know. I know say I dey talk so now. Say my mouth dey smell, no problem. But I don't come talk God do. Who go take can? He take can. Who say no go take can? Say my mouth dey smell. Now you know. If you not say you never bought pikin, not build house, save your money. If you don't born pikin, you go build house. Because if you don't build house, they will not allow you to born again. Because they don't want to make that house get nest of key. When Oyibo they talk, una know the meaning of nest of key. If you don't know the meaning, I don't know I want to talk for pidgin English. Write am down. I go tell you. No, be careful. Because many people like that, they see am. I know thank God say this social media see they give me voice. Me I sit they talk small because I know if you go they carry bed, they ring for people house. Who hear word? Who get ear? Make it hear. Who get ear? Make it hear. If you know, not try am. If you too get the money, go and save your money. You will see some. They will not build the house finish. Now then their sister, their brother say, they not see her stay. You say, okay, my brother, go stay for my house. Go stay for my house. Come out from my house again. You go turn to another thing. Go stay for my house. They'll come, they tie you. They tie you. They win you. They win you. You go, they walk like jockey for Europe. You go, they walk like elephants. They walk like jockey. You go, they eat like ants. So safe, when people say you don't take care of their school fees, their children's school fees and other thing, they know that they pretend like say that they want me you do your own line. Because if you don't do your own, who go pay the school fees for them again? Who go pay school fees for them again if you don't do your own? Who go pay your school fees? Who go pay their children's school fees? Be wise, oh. Me, I don't talk my own. Maybe I'll do another topic about what I talk so because there are more to it. So now the matter where our sister Brie come today, no see so me they throw my own for all my video hand. Now the matter when our sister Brie come be this way, say don't take your action. So you when they look me now, what did this our sister do? He good as he put im mama for rent, go sell the house. E good abi e no good? Leave your comment down there and leave your voice notes down there. Please watch this video to the end. Watch out to the end though. Before you leave your comments. Thank you so much for coming. My sister, when you bring this story, God bless you. Thank you so much for bringing it to this platform. God Almighty will bless you and bless everybody that watched this video and those that share this video. Almighty God will bless you. Make sure you share this video. If you share this video, you are saving someone from somewhere right now. Share. Thank you. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. 2 drinks with Lady T. Bye-bye. If you get anything when they bother you, don't forget to. Our number dey down there. You WhatsApp us or you send voice notes. They will reply you. Thank you so much. Let's call it a day. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will see you through.